Hello everyone. Today you are going to see a very traditional recipe, recipe that uses old rice, and it helps to reduce our body heat, and it also helps us to reduce ulcer if you have. So come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients. I'm G from G's Kitchen. Here I have soaked some rice, old rice, yesterday's rice. I just added some water and soaked it overnight. So today I am going to show you two methods of this traditional drink. Come, let's see what are those. Here I have taken some coconut milk, thin coconut milk. We don't need thick one. Even if you don't like coconut milk, you can still skip the step as well, but this gives a nice taste. I'm going to add in some coconut milk in. Today I'm going to show you a sweet and a savory recipe. So first we add all the common ingredients for both. I have added some coconut milk. Better mix it with hands. It gives an extra taste for the recipe. This is a very traditional recipe, and it helps to reduce the heat in your body, and also it is said when we have the sweet one, it reduces the complications from ulcer as well. If you have any acidity problem, it will help to soothe your way. Mix it well and squeeze the rice so that it breaks into small pieces. If you don't want bigger pieces of rice, you can even put this into a blender and grind it into a smooth paste, but this way this is tasty. Once we have squeezed the rice, now I am going to add in little bit of salt, little bit, not much. Squeeze it again. This is a very easy recipe. You can do it in the morning as well. Not necessary to have it every day, maybe weekly 2 to 3 times will do. If you are living in a very cold country, I would not recommend you to have it every now and then. Just when it is hot, when your weather is hot, you can try to have this. Now let's separate some for the sweet recipe. Now let's make the savory one first. Here I have taken some red onions. I have peeled and washed them. I'm going to chop this into small pieces. I have chopped the red onions. Now I'm chopping the green chilies. I have taken one. Get according to your taste how spicy you need it. Now the shallots and the green chilies goes in. And enough salt. Mix it well again. Squeeze all the onions and the green chili so that it releases its flavor. Now everything is mixed well. Let's serve it into the serving bowl. This can be eaten along with the this can be eaten along with dry fish, fried one. It gives a nice taste. Today I am going to serve this with some pickle. Healthy and traditional rice drink recipe. Healthy and traditional rice drink is ready. Now let's see how to make the sweet version of this. Now into the rice and coconut water mixture, I am going to add in 2 ripe bananas. If you have any acidity problems in your stomach, you can have this version of this traditional drink. It will help you to smooth the stomach. So now I am going to cut this into small pieces. If your banana is sweet, you don't have to add any sugar, but my banana is not that sweet, so I am going to add little bit of sugar to give a taste. And I have added a pinch of salt, which will help to enhance the taste as well. I am adding about 3/4 tablespoon of sugar, and I am going to mix this well. While mixing, I am going to make sure the banana is squeezed very well. These are traditional recipes which our forefathers or grandfathers had in there. These are some traditional recipes those our forefathers had in their daily lives to make themselves very healthy. Let's not forget it, and let's continue to have these recipes in our daily lives so that we become more healthier. Now you can see I have squeezed well, and also the sugar has melted properly. Now let me transfer this into a serving bowl. If you have mud pots to serve, that would be the best. So now the both savory and sweet rice drink recipe is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends, and be healthy and safe. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.